Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Nintendo 3DS to Wi-Fi. First, from the home menu, tap the system settings icon, which resembles a wrench. This will open a new menu with various options. We will then proceed to the internet settings to configure your wireless connection. This easy method ensures your device can access online features and games in just a few simple steps. Make sure your wireless router is active and within range for the best results. Once inside System Settings, locate and select the Internet Settings option. This is where all your network configurations are managed. Next, tap on Connection Settings to view or create new connections. You will then choose New Connection to start the process of adding your home Wi-Fi. The system will ask you to confirm searching for an access point, so tap OK to proceed to the next step. Now, select Search for Access Point to have your Nintendo 3DS scan for available Wi-Fi networks in your area. A list of networks will appear. Find and tap on your home Wi-Fi network's name. You will then be prompted to enter your network's security key, which is your Wi-Fi password. Carefully type in the password, ensuring accuracy, as it is case-sensitive. This step is crucial for a successful connection. After entering your Wi-Fi password, tap OK to confirm the settings. Your Nintendo 3DS will then automatically initiate a connection test to verify everything is working correctly. A message confirming a successful connection will appear on your screen, indicating that your device is now online. You are all set to enjoy online multiplayer games, browse the eShop, and access other internet-enabled features on your Nintendo 3DS. Have fun with your newly connected device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.